Have you ever stopped and really thought about how money actually works? Like not just making it or spending it, but what it really is. See, money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen. It's basically trust, energy, and time, all wrapped together. You see, money started as a way to trade value. You give something useful, your time, your skill, your ideas, and you get money in return. But that paper only means something because people trust it. That trust is what keeps the whole system alive. It's like the heartbeat of every economy. Now here's where it gets real. Money doesn't just sit around, it flows. And it flows to people who solve problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money finds you. That's why poor people chase money, but rich people build systems. They build businesses, assets, or content that money naturally flows through. That's how the same $100 bill can pass through 1,000 hands, but only stick to the ones who understand how to catch it. The crazy part? Most people work their whole lives for money, but the smart ones, they make money work for them. Let me explain it simply. Every dollar you earn is like a little worker. Now you can either spend that worker right away, like sending it to a party, or you can send it to work for you, like investing it so it brings back more workers later. And once you've got money, your goal shouldn't be to flex it. It should be to multiply it. When your money starts earning money, through investments, stocks, or even your own business, you stop trading your time for income. That's when you know your money's working while you sleep. But here's the part nobody tells you. Money listens to emotion. If you panic, it leaves you. If you're patient, it serves you. Money loves clarity, confidence, and a long-term plan. So yeah, that's how money really works. It's not about how much you make. It's about how you think. Master your mindset, master your habits, and eventually money won't control you. You'll control it.